Hello and welcome to Navdrishti. I'm Satish Mishra, and today we step into the fascinating world of autonomous AI agents, forces that are redefining the digital workplace. This journey is not just about technology, it is darshan, a vision, a philosophy of purpose, and a reimagination of how we work and create. As the Kathopanishad reminds us, Uttishth Jagrata, arise, awake, and embrace transformation. If this vision resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Together, we can shape the technology of tomorrow. Once human coding was the mantra of progress, but imagine a future where machines themselves become the rishis, the yogis of creation. As the Rig Veda proclaims, Manasaputra, thoughts give birth to creation. Today, those thoughts are no longer confined to human fingers typing lines of codes. They live within intelligent agents, sculpting new realities. And so begins the story of evolution. Software development has always evolved in waves. First came the traditional IDs, humans writing and debugging every single line of code. Then arrived AI assistants, helping us autocomplete, suggest, and accelerate the process. And now, the next frontier, autonomous agents, systems capable of designing, coding, and even deploying software independently. Each stage isn't just progress, it's a paradigm shift. But let's pause and ask, what held human back? Was it complexity, scale, or perhaps the limits of imagination itself? Despite their brilliance, human developers face natural bottlenecks. Manual coding introduces errors. Studies show 15 to 20 critical defects per thousand lines of code. Debugging alone consumes nearly half of the development time. And when teams scale, communication overhead often grows faster than efficiency. The human factors ironically slows innovation. And that's why the first wave of AI was so important. It wasn't just about speed, it was about breaking free from human limits, opening the door to new paradigm. The first wave of AI in coding came with assistants like GitHub Copilot. They accelerated development with real-time suggestions, faster iterations, and reduced boilerplate. But let's be clear, they still need human oversight. AI assistants can introduce vulnerabilities or generate non-idiomatic codes. They are powerful tools, but not yet independent thinkers. So, what comes after assistance? Autonomy. The next wave isn't about helping humans type faster, it's about intelligent agents that can design, code, test, and deploy on their own. Think of these agents as the Karma Yogis of technology, tirelessly working without attachment, continuously learning, correcting, and optimizing. Just as the scared Ganga flows endlessly purifying everything in its path, autonomous agents flow through the development lifecycle, cleansing it of errors and inefficiencies. And at the heart of this transformation, one platform is leading the revolution. This is where vision meets execution. This is where autonomy becomes a reality. Google Antigravity. This isn't just another platform, it's a paradigm shift, an agent first ecosystem where autonomous AI agents don't wait for instructions. They proactively solve problems, build solutions, and drive innovations. Think of it as a gravity reversed. Instead of humans pulling technology forward, agents lift it beyond our limits. But how exactly this philosophy work? It's not about replacing humans. It's about creating a flow where intelligence itself becomes the engine, continuously learning, adapting, and elevating the entire development life cycle. In traditional development, humans defined goals and wrote every line of code. In agent first design, humans set the vision and agents execute. This is the shift from human centric to agent centric ecosystem. Or you can say shift from Manav Kendra to Yantrik Kendra. Humans became the Vishwakarmas, the divine architects, defining vision and purpose, while agents carry out execution with precision. It is the Silpa Shastra of digital age where design and execution harmonize seamlessly. And when agents act, the results are nothing short of astonishing. From error-free code to self-optimizing solutions, they transform the development lifecycle into a living, breathing flow of intelligence. Take API integration as an example. Traditionally, it takes 3 to 5 days with risks of bugs and vulnerabilities. With Antigravity agents, the same process is completed in minutes. Schema mapping, code generation, testing, deployment, all automated. The result? Near zero errors and optimized performance by default. But here is the real question. Can we trust these agents? Trust isn't given, it's earned through transparency, reliability, and proof in action. And that's where the philosophy of anti-gravity shines. Agents don't just execute, they validate, self-correct, and continuously improve. Google Antigravity addresses this concern of trust with radical transparency. Every line of code, every decision path, every deployment is logged and auditable. You can review syntax, explore decision trees, and trace every commit. It's like having a microscope into the agent's brain. And this transparency doesn't stop at code. It extends across entire workflows, from integration pipelines to deployment environments. Every action is visible, verifiable, and accountable, which means trust isn't just promised, it is built into the system. These agents don't live in silos. They operate across terminals, editors, and browsers, linking builds, tests, previews, and refactoring into one unified workflow. Imagine development as a symphony where every instrument plays in harmony, conducted by AI. And when you compare manual versus agent driven approaches, the difference is dramatic. Manual workflows drag with delays, errors, and endless debugging. Agent driven workflows, they deliver speed, precision, and resilience by default. It is not just faster, it is smoother, more reliable, and fundamentally transformative. Enterprises using anti-gravity report stunning results, 60% faster delivery cycles, 80% reduced time to market, 30% operational cost savings, and 90% improved code quality. These aren't abstract numbers, they are competitive advantages that redefine industries. But it is not just big companies that benefit. Startups, scale ups, small businesses, and even individual creators are tapping into the same agent driven power. For them, anti gravity isn't just efficiency, it is empowerment. It levels the playing field, giving innovators access to capabilities once reserved for tech giants. Whether you are a solo developer in a garage or a growing startup, agents unlock scale, speed, and quality that transform ideas into reality. Solo developers can now build prototypes in hours, not weeks. Complex MVPs become simple. Enterprise grade tools are democratized. The playing field is leveled. Innovation is no longer limited by team size. But with democratization comes responsibility. Because when anyone can harness the power of autonomous agents, the question isn't just what can we build, it's how do we build responsibly. Transparency, ethics, and accountability must guide this new era. Agents amplify human vision, but it is up to us to ensure that vision serves society, not just speed. Regulation and compliance are critical. Anti-gravity agents embed rules automatically, maintain immutable audit trails, and proactively mitigate risks. Transparency isn't just a feature, it's a safeguard for trust, accountability, and integrity in autonomous development. And all of this leads to the final vision, a world where human defines purpose and agents execute with precision, where creativity and autonomy converge, where innovation is democratized, responsible, and limitless. This is not just technology, it is a darshan, a vision of transformation, a reimagining of the future of work. Together, let's embrace this new era and shape tomorrow's technology today. Navadrishti has always been about seeing beyond the obvious. Today, we have glimpsed a future where developers are no longer mere coders. They have become architects of vision, guiding autonomous agents in the cosmic dance of innovation. The future belongs not to those who resist change, but to those who embrace transformation with courage and clarity. This is not just technology, it is Yug Parivartan, a defining movement. As the Upanishads reminds us, Atmanam Vidhi, know your role. Our role is now to guide, to envision, and to shape. If this journey resonated with you, press like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Together, let's awaken a new darshan of technology and shape the future with wisdom and purpose.